This is the elevator at the Essex Market in Lower East Side, New York. These are traction, and they're very fast too. Capacity on this is 3,500. Very fast. There's your bell right there. Generic bell. One at the ground floor. Push button phone, your captain. The other one is hydraulic, but I don't want to ride the other ones. It's just the same. GL interlock. Here's your indicator. Any day you want to close. See, there's your elevator right there. That's hydraulic, which it looked the same, but I don't want to ride it. So, sorry about that, guys. This is the only video I'll be able to take it for today. And, just for fun, you can see all around Essex Market. Look at this place. This place is awesome. There's a man-powered elevator right there, too. This is awesome. So, that's it.